Hello everyone, today I want to create a handbag using mini leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Arden Studio, if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting! Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need the pattern. These are the accessories that I use for making the handbag. Step 2. Making the outer body. Apply glue on this area. Then put it on the center of the vinyl leather body part. Do it for both sides. Apply glue also for the foam and vinyl leather for the bottom part. Step 3. Making the handles. Apply glue on this area for the handles. After that, fold the vinyl leather 1 cm inside. Use clipping pins to make it easier. Take another part of vinyl leather for the handles and glue it. Sew along this area. Install the accessories like this. Now the handles is ready. Step 4. Sewing all parts. Put the handles on top center of the body part. Sew along this area. Take the bottom part then sew along this area. This is the result. Do it for the other side too. Put the triangle part on the side of the body. Sew along this area. And here is the result. Sew along this area. Put together the body and triangle part using clipping pins to make it easier. Sew along this area. Put the body part together and sew along this area. Do it for both sides. Don't forget to put the accessories on the center of the front body. Now we are finished making the outer body. Step 5. Making the inner body. Take the vinyl leather for the inner part and put the magnetic button on the center. Put together with the inner fabric. Sew along this part to create the inner body. Step 6. Finishing. Put the inner body inside the outer body part. Make top stitch along this area. Now, our handbag is ready. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.